Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is car haul number 5, featuring a few different cars. Some are good, some are bad, some are worthless, and some of y'all might want. I'm not sure. Anyway, most of these are going to be project cars. I do have a couple of favorites in this batch. I'll point them out to you as I go along. So let's go ahead and get started on this thing. Let's start with this one right here. This is a complete project car. Right here, it doesn't even have the bottom wheels or anything. So, what am I going to do with this? Who knows? But it is going to be a project. Might be just something else to practice my airbrushing in. So, put that one over here. We have a Mini Cooper. Pretty nice little car here. Maisto Mini Cooper. Let's see here. Does roll pretty good. Paint is in fair condition, not great. Pretty nice. We have a Cars car. This is Nitro Aid number 28. Here's the back of it. Big old fat tires on the bottom. Disney, Pixar, Mattel. DXV41. Rolls pretty decent. Now this one, I don't know why I like this one, but I do. Really makes no sense to me. Probably why I like it. What do we have here? I don't even know what kind of car this is. This is it's a Hot Wheels for sure. Toyota Supra. So if we got any Supra fans out there, let me know. Maybe I can just mail this to you. We'll see how it goes. How about this thing right here? The Piper Oyster Bar, maybe? Oyster Bay? Hard to read that. There we go. I like the engine all except for this long exhaust pipe. Got nice rolling wheels on here. Rolls pretty quick. This is a straight pipe's what it called from Hot Wheels. I might cut those mufflers off right here. It'd look a lot better in my opinion. But pretty cool car. Happy with that one. Okay, here's one of my favorites. One of my 2 favorites in this batch here. Look at this. I love this style of these cars. Check that out. Split window in the back. This is a tomato color. Flames on the side. Kind of coming off. How's this thing roll? It rolls. Not great, but it rolls. We have a Hot Wheels, not 2001 Mattel Hot Wheels. Looks like it says 40 Ford Coupe. I like it. It's one of my 2 favorites in this batch here. Let's go with this yellow truck here. This one is in pretty bad shape. Smokestacks in the back are bent up. This is a Matchbox. This might end up being a donation car, meaning the tires are going to be donated to another vehicle. And I don't know, maybe I can cut off these smokestacks and put something else in there to cover those holes. This one right here. Well, what do we have here? No, I don't like these color tires on this car. This is a Torque Twister Hot Wheels. Not 1196 ml. I think that's what it says up here. It's kind of hard to read. I'm not a fan of these cars with different color wheels. I guess I'm a traditionalist liking the black wheels. But anyway. Rolls. How about this thing here? I think this is probably one of the ugliest cars. 2001 Sentinel 400 Limo. Now I do have another one of these I showed in a different video with a smashed top. At least this one is whole and it rolls. I don't like the colored windshield and windows, but the bottom of the chrome plating is coming off. Might be a project car. What do we have here? We have a Volkswagen thing, and actually it's in pretty decent shape. The wheels are pretty rough, but the body's in pretty decent shape for a Volkswagen thing. Hot Wheels Type 181, I believe that's what that says. What am I going to do with this one? Probably, of course I'm going to tear it out apart and do something else with it. Looks like it's missing this, probably had a top on it at one time. What do we got here? We got a fire truck. Old fire truck. Ladder's all bent up, real flimsy. I don't know if it's missing anything. We have a made in England by Lesney Matchbox series number 29 fire pumper truck. This one is pretty old, so it's going to be a keeper. We have a bubble car. I'm going to call this a bubble car. Not a fan of it, but I do like the wheels. Hot Wheels. There you go, there's the bottom of it. Baluster, I think that's what it said. How about this PT Cruiser here? Purple PT Cruiser. Purple is one of my least favorite colors, so it is going to be repainted. So, windshield's not too bad, really. How about this Challenger? I always get them mixed up. This is a Challenger, 08 Challenger. Chrysler 2007 08 Dodge Challenger. Hot Wheels. This is a pretty sweet car. Rolls good. Y'all see what I'm doing, I bet. Saving my favorite for the last. Here we have a recycle dump truck with a fork on the front that moves. Kind of weird. Probably not going to do anything with this truck. This is a Hot Wheels, I think. I'm not sure. Might be something to play around with. Let's go with this. Now that's orange there in it. That is orange. It's in good condition. Hot Wheels. Hummer H2. Pretty rough on the roll. But all Hummers are rough on the rolls. Here we go. Here we go. This is a Lincoln Navigator. I bet this was really nice when it was new. I like the color on this. It's got the roll cage on top, roof rack, whatever you want to call that. It's not a roll cage, of course. Okay, a car. Sheriff, Tonka, Maison. That one rolls good. Roll back in there. Park yourself. Here we have another car. WTCL. Might be a radio station. I'm not sure. Made in China. Mattel. Little bitty tires on it. Rolls. Take your parking spot. Here's another Lightning McQueen number 95 Rusties. Everybody knows what these look like. I'm sure everybody's got one or two in their collection. Okay, here's my favorite for this batch. Check this out. I like the style of this truck. This is going to be repainted, probably the same color. It's really dirty. Got pretty decent rolling wheels. Let's see if it rolls. Yeah, oh yeah, that rolls pretty good. So I'm going to get some paint this color, or close to it, and repaint this thing. Maybe put the this part black. Repaint the headlights in, tail lights. That's a good looking truck there. That's a good. Okay, my favorites on this batch, you probably already know. This one and this one. Those are going to be in my personal collection. I do appreciate watching. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell so you'll be notified when I have other videos uploaded. And I do appreciate you watching.